Hello and welcome to Oak Business Consultant. Today I'm going to walk you through gun manufacturing Excel financial model. Starting from the table of contents, we have input sheet, revenue analysis, inventory analysis, marketing budget, startup summary, financial statements, financial analysis, working sheet, and dashboard. Here are some instructions to how to use the peach cells shows input cells, gray cells shows formula results, light gray font shows helping cells. Coming towards input sheet, well, it's the most important sheet of the financial model, where it's the sheet where you'll be inputting the data. Well, in peach cells you're gonna input, like, there are some funding assumptions, owner investments and other investors investment, debt financing inputs, and the most important part is company started and operation started, as the model will be depends on these dates. Then there is revenue assumptions, like, there are some items, their segmentation, their price per unit, increase rate for further years, and their increase rate. Then we have cost assumptions, similarly, like item cost, cost per unit, increase rate, and the further years. Then we have other assumptions, like customers first month repeating rate, number of items, paid leads. Then we have marketing assumptions. We have digital marketing cost, like YouTube, Instagram ads. Then we have capex and opex assumptions, like capital assets. We have operational expenditures, like admin, finance, marketing, like utility bills and all. Then we have employee payroll data, like all the list of employees, their annual salary, their monthly salary, and their hiring months, and input like these. Then we have working capital assumptions, like account receivable days and account payable days. Coming towards the revenue analysis, it's a detailed analysis of the revenue. We have new customers, repeating rate, we have the segmentation by the product, the item per product sold, the revenue from the sales of this product. Then we have cost of services directly related to the revenue. Then we have inventory analysis, that we have categorized into opening inventory, units sold, target inventory, purchase inventory, closing inventory, and closing inventory in the dollars amount. Then we have marketing budget, like customers, their lead segmentation, their Google Ads marketing, and all other social media platform marketing. Then we have startup summary. Well, this sheet is for basically the investor purpose. We have the detailed summary for the fundings, expenses, utilization of funds, startup summary, and the all assets totals. Then we have financial statements. As it's a three-statement financial model, we have income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet. Then coming towards the financial analysis, well, it's a detailed analysis of the whole financial model. Here we have customer acquisition cost and customer lifetime value summary. We have break-even analysis. We have company valuation, which contains weighted average cost of capital, initial investment, company valuation, NPV of 5 years, and at the 3% growth rate. We have burn rate analysis. We have summary for minimum investment required. Then we have sensitivity analysis on actual, optimistic, and pessimistic base. And then we have KPIs and ratios, like profitability ratios, liquidity ratios, solvency, and efficiency ratios. Coming towards the working sheet, well, it's a calculation sheet for the employee payroll, operating expenses, and depreciation schedule. We have asset calculations and loan schedule. We have beginning in balance, interest payment, principal payment, and the remaining balance. And we have working capital calculations. Coming towards the dashboard, well, it's the overview of the whole financial model, which shows a summary of the GP margin and NP margin, revenue growth, NPV, IRR, and expected equity percentage. And we have graphs showing net cash, monthly revenue analysis, profitability, cash flow, break even, operating expenses. Well, we have total assets and liabilities, and equity. Well, thank you for watching. That's it. If you have any further queries, you can visit our website.